Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the blurred slide transition tutorial on CapCut. So import your clips and then add a keyframe at the beginning and also the end of each clips. Like this. And then at the first keyframe, drag the video to the right. Like this, and then select in between the keyframes, select go to grabs and select the ease out one. Okay, click on a check icon and then do this for all of the clips. But before that, click on the transition box and then go to blur, then select the blurred highlight. Okay, this one, and set it into 0.3 seconds. I think it's enough. Click on a check icon and then apply this to all of the clips. Okay, so after you add the transition and then the grabs, here is the final result for the slide and blurred transition. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.